Alright, this is the cable tester project, and we'll start by making our chain. Um, Battery. We're going to connect to the positive side of the battery over here with the alligator clips, and then that's going to go to the sleeve on the TS cable, and then another clip on the tip. If I can do this, it's slippery. Okay. Then we're going to take this other cable and clip it to the tip, or the sleeve, and then to the tip so that it goes through both of them. Then we're going to come back over here, and we've got it's going from the tip to the resistor, and then the resistor to the LED. We're going to take the LED and connect it. Oh, something got unconnected. Reconnect this, and then we're going to connect the LED to the battery. And can't see. It works sometimes. Something happened. I think the battery just died. It works, I swear. Oh, got it. I did the math with the ohms formula, and the resistor is a 370 ohms, and the electron flow, it goes, you have your protons, it goes from positive to negative, and electrons are negative to positive. And I think that's it. Cool.